Underground drifts and tunnels that are structurally sound contribute to the safety of workers and the mine as a whole. In this video, we'll show how you can design a mine drive or tunnel to an approved engineering standard and contribute towards underground mine safety. The first step is to create a tunnel alignment. In this case, we already have an existing tunnel alignment. So we'll use that existing line for our alignment creation. After you create an alignment, you need to create a tunnel corridor. And we'll name this tunnel corridor. And it will be based on our horizontal alignment and vertical alignment that we had earlier on. You then create a tunnel, and we'll call this our tunnel design. And it will be based on the tunnel corridor that we have created. And we'll choose a station interval 5 feet. You then go ahead and create a tunnel template, and we'll call this tunnel template. And it will be based on our tunnel design. And for the start position for the template, we'll choose start position of 0 or chain edge 0. We'll create a tunnel shape based on our tunnel design and the tunnel template. After that, the shape editor will open so you can close the center line. And you move the shape editor to the previous tab. So the first thing that we'll do is we want to create the floor of our tunnel. And then we'll create the wall. You can zoom in so that you have a good view of your design as you're working on it. And now we create the top of our tunnel or drive. And then we create the other side of our tunnel or the other wall. And we finish off with the last section of the floor. Once that's done, you can go ahead and close the shape editor and go back to the plan view. We now want to create the design mesh, and we'll call this the tunnel design mesh. We'll place it on the tunnel design mesh layer. and we click apply. And once that's done, you now have your tunnel. You can go into 3D and have a good view of your design tunnel. You can also click on the design and check the properties, and you can be able to determine the overall volume for your design. In this case, it's 232 yards, which is about 117 cubic meters. That concludes our video.